Hi guys, today I'm going to show you this Visionie Full HD mini projector with a lot of features. We have dual Wi-Fi and even Wi-Fi 6 support. It has also Bluetooth 5.2, so we can attach some external speakers if you like. And it comes with a strong 450 NC lumen brightness, so it can fit up to 250 inches diagonal picture size. But of course you can make it even larger with more distance if it's fully dark. But there's also a zooming function which can shrink the image to 50%. And we have also built in vertical keystone correction. For me also a great plus that it comes from a very well-known brand with full support, so it's not a no-name. So I'm going to take it out of the box, show you what to get, how to connect, and then I'm going to show you some real-life footage. So everything comes very well protected. That's very important for sensitive items like a projector. And it's even a beautiful one. Watch this thing here. Really nice, beautiful design with this white matte finish, round shape. In the front we have this protection for the lens. Here the focus and keystone correction. And we have also nice control panel here on top. Nice ventilation. Comes with 4 soft rubber feet for a safe stand. But we have also this tripod mount. I think it's not fully centered, so you'll see how good this works here. And it comes also with a built-in tilting function. What I like here is that it has a pretty long screw, so we can tilt it a lot. And in the back, of course, we have all the accessory ports and also the speaker openings. So we have USB, so you can plug in a USB stick and then play something from there. Of course, HDMI, so you can use it from a computer or use HDMI also for casting, for example Chromecast directly wireless from your computer. And we have also a 3.5mm AV input port, and the reason for that is that we get this very interesting RCA or change to 3.5mm conversion cable. So for example, if you have some older video recorders or older gaming consoles, we could connect them even with this cable to the AV port, and of course the headphone or normal audio output. And we have an infrared receiver on the back and also one in the front. This is exactly what we want. There's also a full-size HDMI to HDMI cable included. And of course also the power cable. What I like is that we don't have to use an external transformer. Transformer is right built in here, much cleaner design. And then we get also this remote control with a lot of functions. There are no batteries included. There are 2 AAA batteries needed for the remote control. But if you forget that at the beginning, you are not lost. You can use the control here on the top. You get also some cleaning tool and the full instructions manual. And so let's see how this tripod connector works here. Okay, so let's put it down on this desk. I would say really nice. Has pretty good safe hold. Also of course because the projector is not too heavy. Okay, and so let's connect the power also to the projector from the side, and then we can turn it on here on the top. And so it turns on automatically. And so of course I'm turning the camera around so you can see how good the quality really is. Okay, so here we are. I'm plugging in this USB stick with some videos. Turn it on here with the remote control and we get instantly this picture here. So we have the language selection. Of course I'm going with the English. And then we have already this nice picture. Let's see if we can make it even sharper. But I would say it's pretty nice. So you can see the keystone correction is this small lever here. Of course it has some impact on the sharpness, but I would say it's lightly up projecting. And the picture is really good. Yeah, from the left top to the right bottom, everything really good. Let's see how this looks when I turn off the light completely. Yeah, of course, even much better here. Yeah, I would say there's absolutely nothing to complain here regarding the image quality, especially if you can make the room really dark or if you can watch outside. So let's test the USB directly. I click on movie, C drive. So let's see if we can play a 4K video, and of course it's not supported as expected, but that's no problem because we have same video in full 1080p. So let's see this one here. I would say really nice, absolutely fluent. There are no lags, no nothing. So looks like the built-in video player is doing great job on full 1080p. And also the speaker works really good. Let's increase that a little bit to see what we can get. Yeah, it's pretty loud. You probably can't understand me clearly, so I turn this down a little bit. Let's watch this scene here. Really nice blue, white snow, everything nice and clear. Yeah, I can't find any real problem regarding picture and regarding player so far. Everything really good. And let's try to connect to the Wi-Fi. Of course I have to blur this a little bit. And so here's our Wi-Fi. Let's enter the password of the Wi-Fi router. So let's try to connect here. Sometimes this can be a big problem for some projectors, but here we have very advanced Wi-Fi. And so it looks like it's connected. Yeah, we have definitely confirmation here on top that it's connected in the first attempt. This is no trick or so. This definitely worked in the first attempt. And so while I'm preparing my phone for the screen mirroring, let's test and see how it is regarding the heat. And yeah, we can definitely confirm that there is only very minor heat. I have seen some projectors which emit huge amount of hot air. That's not going to happen here. And also the noise from the fan is on a very acceptable level. So let's try to screencast the same video from my mobile phone. By the way, what's important, we don't have to be connected to the Wi-Fi. I'm actually connected here, but just to show you, I turn off the network connection. Network is off, so I go to screen mirroring, click on Android, and so on my Android phone I click on screencast, go to settings to see more devices, and you can see even though I'm not connected with the projector to the Wi-Fi, it shows the Visony projector. So I click on that, it says connecting, and so the screen is mirrored. Of course we want to make this full screen, and so we can see now we have exactly same thing now on the projector which we have on our phone. Absolutely awesome. That was so super easy, much easier than with many other projectors. Let's go through the settings. Here the Bluetooth screen. You can see we can pair, search, connect to other Bluetooth devices. For example, speakers. We have the help, we have the AV, we have the HDMI. And here the settings, we have different picture modes, different color temperatures, and we can rotate the projection. For example, if we have mounted it at the rear table, down here we have it from the ceiling and another version from the ceiling. And now back to normal view, and here the zooming function. And so you can see we can easily shrink the image. Of course, this would be the whole image, not only the menu, but here we see only the menu. So I make it back to 100% because my screen is large enough. Yeah, and so everything has been working really good. Yeah, so let's also see if we can do some gaming here. I have connected my computer with HDMI to this projector. And then with the input selector, I've been choosing HDMI on the right side. And now I make this a little bit larger. So I can even play normally with my Xbox controller. Absolutely no problem. Yeah, everything seems to work absolutely perfectly with no delays, even scored right away here at the beginning. Yeah, works exactly the same way as on my computer screen. I can't feel any lags or so. It's super reliable, nice colors, good sharpness, and especially really good response time. There are absolutely no delays or so as far as I can see. Makes a lot of fun to play here. Yeah, definitely a really good experience here with this projector. Everything worked directly right out of the box. I didn't have to read manual or so. It's very intuitive to use and it works absolutely reliable. Sharp image, good colors, fan not too loud but still decent speakers. If this is not enough, you have still Bluetooth to connect the external speakers or use the 3.5mm port to connect some speakers. Yeah, really nice experience, nothing to complain. Yes, I would say very decent full HD 1080p projector. Of course, we have some limitations regarding the focus. It's a manual focus, it's not an autofocus, and the keystone connection is only vertical and not horizontal. But if you don't have any crazy installation, there should be no problem regarding that. For me, it worked really good, really nothing to complain. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order one for you if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.